Hey guys, so today I'm here. I'm just going to give you guys a quick little update here. Like I said, part of the little hair journals. This is some of the things I got from Sally's. I'm waiting for the other stuff to come in, so hopefully that'll be in the next few days. But I did pick up like the whole like repair line. I will show you a bit first. I did get this for my roots. It's this semi-permanent hair dye. It's the fuchsia shade. Some scrunchies. I did get a little hair bonnet for when I put like some oils and stuff in my hair. I picked up the reparative leave-in spray. This is all by Ion. The reconstructor treatment. I actually picked up 2 of these. I already used this. I really like it. I'll show how my hair looks in a second. Split end mender. Obviously I've used this a few times. The Repair BB cream. Really like this as well. I will say the only one that's like, I like how it works, but the smell of the reparative spray is super strong. And then I also got the shampoo, which I'm really glad I got this shampoo. It is so nice, honestly. It feels so good in my hair, so I really recommend this shampoo. But I'll show you my hair in a second. But yeah, this is my cute little Ion stuff. Peep the drink in the back. Sorry. But yeah, this is all the little goodies I got here to help repair. But I'll show you my hair real quick. Okay, so I used that reparative stuff twice now. I've used it, and look at my hair. Look how healthy. Just so you guys do know, I did do a trim. I cut off like that much hair, so probably about a good 4 inches because those ends were fried, so those needed to go. I tried to fix my bang up just a pinch. I kind of just tried to shear and fix out all the weird splitsies, but look at how healthy. Like, are you serious? Really brought my hair back. It looks super good. It feels good. So far, absolutely, I love this stuff, and I've only used it twice, so I really, so far, recommend it. I'll continue to use it and do a review, but yeah, look at these roots, though. They awful. I waited a few days since doing the color roots, so I'll probably just do the root area, and then I'm just going to let my hair just chill, do its thing, leave it alone, and then let it just kind of fade, but at least then it's more cool toned. I don't know why it looks so warm on camera. Like, this is really, like, this is like a fuchsia shade and this is purple. I don't know why it looks like it's pulling any type of red or darkness, because it's really not, just so you guys know. Like, this is pretty much all like a cool toned pink. Like, it's not light obviously, but I don't know why it looks so red. So color's a bit deceiving, but yeah, so I'm going to be doing my roots and stuff. I'll probably do a video on it, but thank you guys so much. I do want to share the haul update, and thanks guys, and I will do a review on some of these products. Alright, thanks for watching, and please be sure to subscribe. Okay, bye.